Haley, our love is perfect. It is rare to find someone who so closely mirrors the way you want to be seen and loved. And I have that in you. I promise to always make sure you know how lucky I am to get to experience life with you.
Nothing left to fear. Take my hand and see.
So, Brayden and Avery, before I talk to your dad, I want you two to know that you are the best things I never knew I needed. I miss you guys when you aren't around. I look forward to every moment I get to spend with you. You two have changed my life.
We'll write the story of the whole world dreams of. We'll never give up, you'll be enough for me.
You are my respite from any stress or frustration that the world may throw my way. I can only hope and strive to be that for you. You're my breath of fresh air, and I promise to love you until my lungs give out.
In you, I have my everything. My best friend, my lover, my soulmate, my personal comedian, my caretaker when I'm sick, the one I can't stand to be away from, my home.
You take my breath away every time you enter my presence. I vow to always take the steps to earn the right to experience that presence. Even when you are not around, you're the part of me that I'm always talking to. You make me whole.
We'll write the story, you see it, the movies. We'll have a strong love.
I promise to do everything in my power to make all of our years fun and full of a love so rare. I'm eternally lucky to have you as my wife.
I give you my all, my love, you see. You're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need.
By the authority vested in me, I proudly pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Wake up, the world is smiling. Got the sun on my side today. Nothing can stop me shining. Feeling lucky in a big way. Soaking up every moment. Throw a cherry on your Sunday. Hands in the sky wide open. Yeah, I just wanna celebrate. Life is better on the bright side. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I see it all in a new light. Life is better on the bright side.
I'm so happy I get to do that forever. I promise to always show you love, to always make you feel loved, to kiss you and hug you each day, to appreciate you. I promise to never leave your side and to always have your back. I will be here through the good times and the bad. I promise to never change the way that I love you.
Life is better on the bright side. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I see it all in a new light. Life is better on the bright side. Life is better. It's better on the bright side. Life is better. Better on the bright side. Life is better. So much better on the bright side. Life is better on the bright side. Bright side. I got a pocket full of sunshine. Life is better. I see it all in a new light. Life is better. So much better on the bright side.
I'm so happy to get to marry you and spend my life loving you and having fun with you. I love you.